with me and my best friends.
Only one more piece to complete our collage, guys.
I've got it, Paula. There.
The circle doesn't fit in the space, Tim.
Oh, man.
Go ahead, Chucky. Give it a try. Sorry, Chucky. It looks like the square isn't the right shape, too.
Can I try this triangle, Paula?
Sure, Billy. The triangle fits. You completed the collage, Billy.
Thanks, Paula.
I'll get the phone. Hello? Paula speaking.
Blimey! A talking banana! What a discovery!
Mr. Explorer? It's Paula. I'm not a talking banana, and you're just holding a banana phone.
Oh, Paula! It's a good thing I accidentally called you. I really need your help to find the secret chamber of rewards.
The secret chamber of rewards? What's inside?
Toys. Is it toys?
It could very well be. It'll be swell to show off what we find to the Society of National Explorers. But I can't seem to figure out the clues on the map. Can you help me, children?
Of course, Mr. Explorer. We'll be right over. Time to ride buggy to the jungle, everyone.
Woohoo! Secret chamber of rewards, here we come!
We're here, Mr. Explorer.
Hello, children. I can't seem to find these round rocks on the map.
There it is, Mr. Explorer.
Where?
It's right there.
There?
There! It's there! Look down, Mr. Explorer.
I still don't see it.
There!
Aha! I didn't see it all the way down here. Well done, children. That's the first clue to the secret chamber of rewards.
Maybe we should read the map, Mr. Explorer?
Excellent idea.
Okay. Follow this path of round rocks, everyone.
What's the next clue, Paula?
It's a drawing of yellow flowers. Anyone see any yellow flowers around?
I see it. It's over here.
Those are blue flowers, Mr. Explorer.
They are?
The yellow flowers are over there. Let's go.
It's the end of the path. Where do we go next?
Hello, everyone. What are you guys doing? I'm hungry.
Mr. Totem Head.
By golly! Is that a talking totem head? The Society of National Explorers will love you. Come here and let me capture you.
No, that's not a talking totem head. It's a monkey.
A monkey, you say?
Yeah. I mean.
Ah, you're right. Jolly well. What's the next clue to the secret chamber of rewards?
It's a drawing of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bunnies. And at the end is Mr. Banana Tree.
Huh? I don't see any bunnies or Mr. Banana Tree.
Maybe to find bunnies, we have to be like bunnies. Bunnies, where are you?
Oh, that's it. We don't have to find bunnies. We just need to hop like bunnies 8 times until we find Mr. Banana Tree.
I smell bananas. It's that way. Oops, I mean.
1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Yay! We found you, Mr. Banana Tree.
Hello, everyone.
Do you know where the secret chamber of rewards is?
Shh! Not so loud. It's a secret. Go that way. Sure, I've got lots of bananas for you, Mr. Totem Head Monkey.
Thank you, Mr. Banana Tree, and Very Hungry Monkey. Cheerio.
Are we there yet?
The next clue on the map shows 3 rectangles stacked on top of each other, plus a square. What does it mean?
I think Chalky knows. Oh, the drawing looks exactly like the temple there.
Very clever, children. Onward into the temple.
Wow, there's so many rooms. Which one is the secret chamber of rewards?
Let's go check them out.
This room is empty, Paula.
Maybe it's the next room. Oh man, it's empty too.
Maybe we missed a clue on the map. Oh, there's one last clue. It's a bunch of shapes, a circle, a triangle, and 2 squares.
Children, look at what I found. It's some kind of ancient inscription on the wall.
Those are shapes, Mr. Explorer, just like the ones on the map. It's the last clue, but I don't know what we're supposed to do with them.
I know very well what we must do. We have to press the shapes on the wall in the same order as the drawing on the map.
That's easy. Okay, guys, let's do this. Tim, Calc, you guys take the circle. Mr. Explorer, you're on the triangle. Chalky and I will push the square.
What do I do, Paula?
You can read the order of shapes we should press, Billy.
Okay, Paula.
To your positions, everyone.
Circle, triangle, square, square.
Yay! We did it!
Woohoo!
This is absolutely brilliant.
Are these the rewards?
Blimey, all that work for a toilet roll and a small guitar?
It's actually a scroll and a harp, Mr. Explorer.
Boring.
A scroll? What does it say?
It says, friendship is the greatest reward. Sorry, Mr. Explorer.
Sorry, whatever for? The scroll is right. Friendship is the greatest reward.
We think so too, Mr. Explorer. Oh, there's more. It says, now play this harp and party.
Yes, let's get our groove on.
Woohoo! Now this is fun.
Yay! Dance party!
I didn't know you can play the harp so well, Mr. Explorer.
That's not the only thing I can do well. Check this out.
Wow! Mr. Explorer can really dance!
Woohoo! Yay!
With me and my best friends.
All aboard the spaceship!
And blast off!
Yay! Hey, what does this button do?
Stop!
Huh?
You should not press that button.
Oh, sorry.
Astrid, have you finished your homework? It's very important for your astronaut training.
You mean the science of buttons and wires? Yes, Dad, I've done it.
Very good. I'll just be at the next planet on a mission
A mission! Can we come?
to count space rocks.
Oh, never mind. See you later, Dad.
What do you think this button does? Do you know?
Nope.
Oh man, I want to press it so bad.
But Mr. Astronaut said not to.
Yeah, Billy's right. Come on, Tim. Let's just go play something else. I'll get my toys.
Since no one's here, what if... Huh? Oh, is this thing broken?
Huh? Hey, what's happening outside?
The planet's changing?
1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? Was that my spaceship? Where did it go? Oh my!
Come on, work, button, work!
Tim! Stop pressing the button!
Relax. This button doesn't do anything at all. It's probably broken. See? Nothing happened.
Something did happen! Look outside!
Why does everything look so different?
I've never seen this place before!
Pressing the button brought us here? Cool!
I want to go back.
I'm sure we will. Let's go figure out how.
Pressing the button brought us here, so pressing it again should bring us back.
But what if it brings us further away?
Don't worry. I can fly us back. Leave it to me. Oh no! I can't find the space station! It's not showing on the map!
Come on, let's just use the button.
Wait!
Nope. Not here. Nope.
What happened?
Ugh, the button isn't working anymore.
That's because the power's out! Should we call Mr. Astronaut for help? I can't reach him! Nothing's working! Oh! I think there's a way to turn the power back on! Aha! No! It's locked! It looks like we have to solve the math sum to open it up. 1 plus 3 is 4.
Another math sum. 2 plus 2 is 4.
There's more? 4 plus 0 equals 4. That was easy.
5 minus 1. The answer's 4 again. It's open. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gems. But what's wrong with this one? Oh no! This red gem has lost its power. The spaceship needs all 4 gems to work.
Maybe we can find one outside.
Come on, everyone. Let's search for a red gem.
Where are you, spaceship? Aha! Found you!
Red gems.
I don't see any.
Wow, what a strange planet. Oh, look. 1, 2, 3, 4. This planet has 4 moons.
Yeah, great. Did you find a red gem?
Oh, whoops! Found one.
Yay! Gimme, Tim.
Woohoo! The power's back. Now let's test to see if the button's working.
No, don't!
Uh-oh. Oops.
Not again. Oh no!
What's that?
Mr. Astronaut!
Yay! You can get us out of here.
I'm afraid not, children. My jetpack is out of power. Hopefully, I can call Astrid to give her instructions on what to do.
What if we just keep pressing the button until we get back to our friends?
No, it's not safe! What if we run out of power again? I'll fly the spaceship back. Now, where is that yellow planet? Oh no, which one is it? Do you remember anything special that can help us find the right yellow planet?
Oh, yes. It has 4 moons.
4 moons? Yes! Now we just have to count the moon icons to find the correct planet.
1, 2, 3. Not that one.
1, 2, 3, 4. Found it! Here we go!
Whoa! 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 Ah! What's happening?
We're flying through a meteor shower! Hang tight! Whoa!
Wow!
Ah! I can't fly out of it!
Oh no! Oh no!
Ah! Phew! Now we're even further away from the yellow planet! It's my dad! Hello, Dad?
Astrid, homework! Science of buttons and wires!
Huh? Your dad wants you to do your homework at a time like this?
Of course! My homework! Let's put this wire here and that one there.
What you doing?
Ta-da! Now the button will take us wherever we tell it to. I've got it set to the yellow planet with 4 moons. Go ahead, press it!
Really? Yay!
They're back! Tim, Astrid, you're okay!
Well done, Astrid. I'm so proud of you.
Sorry, Mr. Astronaut. I won't disobey your instructions again.
Good. I'm just glad everyone is safe. Now, let's go back to the space station. And done. Tim, do you want to press the button again?
Yes, yes! Maybe we can all press it together this time?
Sure. Go ahead.
On the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah!
10 points. Nice job, Sloppy.
Okay, my turn. Sloppy, let go.
Our laptop. Oh no! One of the letter keys has fallen out of the keyboard. But which letter is it?
Well, that's easy. All we have to do is remember the letters of the alphabet, and then we'll see which letter key is missing from the keyboard.
Okay. A, B, C, D, E, E. There are so many letters in the alphabet. I've forgotten what comes next.
There's got to be an easier way of remembering the letters of the alphabet. Wait, there is! Come on, guys, it's showtime! Come on, everybody, Cherry's musical world. Sing and dance, bang and drum, my musical world. You like playing soft in Cherry's musical world. Now sing along and join us in my musical world. Sing along! La 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 All right, fellas, let's get ready to sing the alphabet song.
The alphabet song?
Yes! The alphabet song is an easy way to remember the alphabet because it has a tune and you can sing it. Once you learn the alphabet song, you'll never ever forget the letters of the alphabet.
Oh.
I'll teach it to you. It goes like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
find out which letter of the alphabet is missing from our keyboard.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O.
Hey, where's the letter O?
That must be the missing letter key from our keyboard. Great! Now that we know what letter is missing, we can go back and look for it. Let's go home, home, home. Now let's find that letter O. I bet you I find it
Oops. Guys, it's not a big deal. We'll just get ourselves a new O key for our keyboard, and then we can keep playing our game.
Sloppy can't build anything. It's time to go to Sloppy's workshop. Using shapes and using tools, he'll save the day. Come on to Sloppy's workshop. Sloppy's workshop. Sloppy build a circle. Sloppy build a square. You can do it, Sloppy. Let's go to Sloppy's workshop. Sloppy's workshop. All right. Let's get that new letter O key and get back home so we can play. Shape?
Yeah, the computer needs to know what shape key to make.
Well, the letter O is a circle, right? It has one curved side and no corners. So maybe the key should be a circle too, just like the letter O. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Our computer is pink, not blue. So the key should also be pink. Oh! Finally, our keyboard is complete. The key doesn't fit.
And I think I know why. The O key is a circle. It has one curved side and no corners. But the hole in our keyboard has 4 straight sides and 4 corners that are all the same size.
It's a square. So we need a square key to fit into the square hole. Cool! You turned the circle into a square.
Awesome! Now let's go home, home, home. Okay. So, whose turn is it to play?
Oh, thanks, Sloppy. But you know what? Let's find something we can all play together. How about a game of catch?
Yeah!